Hi, I'm Lou, and today I'm going to show you how to fix flat tires. There are two types of tires, the standard tire like this with an inner tube, and this one here called a tubeless tire. The way you can tell the difference is a standard tire has the valve that goes straight in like this, and on a tubeless tire there's a fatter base down here, and also the tubeless tire will somewhere on it actually say the word tubeless. Almost all bicycle tires are standard tube tires, as you can see that straight valve. It's hard to tell on modern cars because they have fairly fancy rims, but it does get fatter in there, and this is indeed a tubeless tire. We'll start with the standard tire. The most common way to get a flat is to run over a screw like this. This is a brand new tire, so we'll have to force a screw in to make it a flat. And there it goes. So the first thing you do to fix a flat is you find the screw and pull it out. Now we need to get the tube out to repair it. So we unscrew this cap, and then we've got to get the tube out. And one way is to pop this off with a tool like this, which is easier on a larger bicycle tire. On a small one like this, it's best just to take these bolts out and split this. Pull out your inner tube. Now you've got to find the hole in the actual inner tube, and sometimes it's hard to do, so you can blow it back up and put it in a bucket of water and look for bubbles, but in our case it's obviously right there. First we use a rasp like this to rough up the surface around the hole, about like that. Then you get a patch like this, stick it on right over the center of the hole and press down. Now it's ready to go back in the tire. Reassemble the wheel, pump it back up, and we're all fixed. Next, let's puncture our tubeless tire. Pull out the screw, and you can hear it leaking. Right after you pull out the screw, it's good to mark the hole with a piece of white tape or something so you can see where it is. These are easy to lose. If you forget to mark it, you can always pump it back up and spray this with water and look for bubbles. Now we're actually going to enlarge the hole a little bit with this tool, and we put a little bit of lubricant on the end of it to help it go in. So now you need to jam this down through the hole, and then run it up and down a few times to make it bigger. Now you use an Allen wrench to loosen this, pull out this tool, put in this raspy one, tighten it back up, and run this in and out a few times to make sure the hole is uniform. Now you take one strand of sticky rope, put it through this tool to where it's right at halfway, jam this whole thing down in the hole, and you want to push until you have about a 1/2 inch of cord left. Now rotate the handle 360 degrees and pull it back out. This is actually sealing the hole, and we just take a knife and cut this off flush. Pump it back up, and we're all fixed. I've been using this really nice tire kit from ThinkWork. It has all the tools I showed in the video, plus a few more things. Here's a tire pressure gauge. Here's a tread depth gauge. Push that up against your tire and push down on the orange part, and it tells us that we have about 3 millimeters of tread, which is good for summer use. Comes with those gloves, and this little box has new valve caps. These are actually little tiny valves. This tool right here can unscrew the valve that's inside there. Sometimes those go bad, and you can replace them with a new one like this. If this entire valve stem goes bad and leaks down here, they actually have brand new ones that you can pull this out and pop this in its place. It basically has anything you'd ever need to fix a tire. I'll put a product link in the description below, and thanks for watching.